10 AI website builders, one question. Which one is actually worth your money in 2026? I tested the claims, cross-checked the pricing, and ranked all 10 from situational to the one I'd actually recommend to almost anyone starting today. Stick around, because the number one pick at the end genuinely surprised me with how well-rounded it is.
Quick context before we start. An AI website builder skips the blank page problem entirely. You answer a few questions or type a prompt, and the AI generates a working site. Layout, starter copy, even color choices in minutes instead of days. Some of these are true no-code website builders. A few blur the line into full app builders. I'll flag which is which as we go. Starting at number 10, Trickle. This one's prompt first. You describe what you want, and it builds a working site or internal tool on the spot. It's fast and genuinely useful for prototypes and internal utilities, but it trades visual polish for speed. Free to start, Pro runs around $20 a month. Number 9, Glide. This is less a website builder and more a spreadsheet to app converter. Connect to Google Sheet, and Glide's AI maps your columns into lists, cards, and detail pages automatically. Excellent for directories and dashboards, the wrong tool for a marketing site. Plans start free, paid tiers from around $25 a month. Number 8, WeWeb, the most technical tool on this list, built for real web applications, not simple websites. The AI assists with layout and logic, but you're still doing real product building work. Powerful, but there's a real learning curve. Pricing starts around $29 a month. Number 7, Shipper. Describe a project in plain English, and it generates a full working app, front end, back end, and hosting almost instantly. You can export the code if you want to take it elsewhere. Priced around $25 a month per user, no free tier. Number 6, Lovable. Prompt in, working site out, often in minutes. Fast and flexible for landing pages and prototypes, but there's no visual drag and drop editor. Free to start, Pro around $20 a month. Number 5, Bluehost's Wondersuite. For someone who wants the full WordPress ecosystem without configuring it manually. The AI installs WordPress and builds your starter site. After that, you're editing in standard WordPress tools. Pricing starts around $295 a month with annual billing. Number 4, Hostinger. If budget is the deciding factor, this is hard to beat. AI site generation bundled with hosting for under $3 a month. Designs are functional rather than flashy, and customization is more limited, but for a simple, affordable site, it delivers. Number 3, Squarespace. Pick this if design quality matters more than raw flexibility. The AI leans on strong, cohesive templates, and the result consistently looks polished.
Ideal for portfolios and visually led brands. Pricing starts around $16 a month, no free plan. Number 2, Shopify. If you're selling products online, this is basically the default answer. The AI is built around commerce specifically. Product descriptions, inventory insights, abandoned cart recovery. Not the cheapest, starting around $39 a month, but nothing else here matches its depth for actual stores. And the pick I'd actually recommend to most people starting out? Wix. A genuinely complete AI-generated starting point, then it gets out of the way. You can edit almost everything by hand afterward, which is rare among AI-first builders. Strong built-in SEO tools, a massive app ecosystem, and a free plan to test before you pay. Pricing runs free up to around $159 a month at the high end. For most people building a first real website in 2026, this is where I'd start. Best overall? Wix. Best for online stores? Shopify. Best on a tight budget? Hostinger. Best for design-first brands? Squarespace. Best if you're technical and building a real app instead of a simple site? WeWeb or Shipper. Every one of these tools can get a site live today. The real decision is matching the tool to what you're actually building, not just picking whichever one has the flashiest demo. If this saved you a few hours of research, subscribe. I break down tools like this every week.